Hello guys, welcome all of you. Today we will see K-map for three variables. In the last lecture, we have to see K-map for two variables. In this lecture, we study K-map for three variables and K-map for four variables. Before start the lecture, do like, share and subscribe the channel for more and more fresh content. So see, this is one of the truth table for three variables. Then procedure is simply as for two variables like this. Therefore, write the SOP for one. So one is here, here, here and here. So write the SOP for this. So what is SOP for first one is this is 0, 0 and 0. Therefore SOP is A bar, B bar and C bar. Then for this A bar, B, C. Then for this A, B bar and C bar. Okay. Then for this A, B, C. Then how to draw the K-map? So see here, firstly draw the square. Right here for three variables, right here A bar, here A, here B bar, C bar, here B bar C, here BC and here BC bar, here BC bar. So put one for SOP is this. So A bar, B bar, C bar. Here A bar, B bar and C bar. Therefore put one here. Then this A bar, BC. So A bar, BC. So this is 1. 1 second. This is 1. This is 1. Then A, B bar, C bar. This is A, this is B bar, C bar. Therefore this is 1. Then A, B, C. So where is A, B, C? A is this and B, C is this. Therefore this is 1. And put 0 in the remaining places. Therefore this is 0. Here it is 0 for this. This is 0 and this is 0. So this is our K-map for three variables. Then K-map for four variables. So procedure is same for the four variables. Write the SOP for one. So for this A bar, B bar, C bar and D. Correct. A bar, B bar, C bar and D. Then for this A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, C and D bar. Then for this A bar, B, C and D. Then for this A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Correct. Then for this A, B, C bar, D. Then for this one in the last A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. So then how to draw the K-map? So see here, for the K-map, draw first square, then put here A bar, B bar, then A bar, B, then A, B and A, B bar. Here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D and C, D bar. So put for the SOP is 1, put 1 for the SOP is 1. Therefore this is A bar, B bar, C bar and D. This is A bar, B bar. See here, 1 second. See, this is A bar, B bar and C bar, D bar is where? Here is C bar, D bar, C bar, D. Therefore 1 is here. Correct. Then for this A bar, B bar, C, D bar, A bar, B bar, C, D bar, C, D bar is here. Therefore 1 is here. Then A bar, B, A bar, B is here and C, D, C, D is here. Therefore put 1 here. Then A bar, B, A, B bar. So this is A, B bar and C bar, D bar. Therefore this is 1 here because C bar, D bar is here. Okay. Then A, B and C bar, D. Therefore 1 is here. Then A, B, C, D. Therefore this is A, B, this is C, D, this is C, D. Therefore A, B, C, D. Therefore 1 here. Correct. Then put 0 in the remaining places. Put 0 in the remaining places. Therefore, this is K-map for 4 variables. So, this is K-map for 3 and 4 variables. In the next lecture, we have to see simplification of this K-map or how to simplify the boolean expression using K-map, or how to simplify the truth table using this K-map.